Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's computer class. Did you all receive your marks? Happy with your marks? Good. So, only one question. Many students made a mistake. That is, choose the correct answer. First one. So, hereafter, uh, before answering any question, just think twice. Okay. Everyone's blindly written slide sorter view where you can see the thumbnail of all the slides, but you can see the thumbnail also from the normal view. Okay, so the answer is normal view as well as slide sorter view. Got it? Okay. Next time, similar this type of one tricky question will be there in the exam. So everyone think and answer. Got it? That's good. Well, today we are going to start a new chapter. Okay, as we discussed in the Google Meet, this chapter is all about algorithms and flowcharts. Okay, so I have a question for you. When you wake up in the morning, what do you do? What is your daily routine in the morning? When you come to school regularly, or even now also, what is your daily routine in the morning? So the first thing, you wake up at 6 or 7 o'clock, you go to washroom, then you will brush your teeth, right? Then drink water, take a cup of chai, then you may take bath, okay? And after taking bath, you will have your breakfast. This is the normal routine you follow. Am I right? So why you are following the same? Is there any important thing we should follow the same order? Why don't we immediately when you wake up, why don't you have your breakfast first? Instead of going to washroom or brushing your teeth, first take your breakfast, okay? Have your food, morning breakfast, then take bath, okay? Then go to washroom, then brush your teeth. Is this the right order? No, right? You should follow the correct order. So what happens when you follow the correct order? Step by step. Wake up, go to washroom, brush your teeth, take bath, have your breakfast. So this is the proper order you have in your mind, right? You have not written in a piece of paper or not anybody is instructing you. Now you are grown up. Maybe in your childhood, your parents might have instructed you to wake up, do this, that, and all. Now you are grown up. You yourself brush your teeth when you wake up in the morning, right? So we are following some standard procedure in our life. Not only the morning routine, whatever work we do. If you take your mother, when she works on a kitchen, okay, she will proper follow the proper method to cook. If the methods are interchanged, will you get a proper food, tasty food? No, right? Similarly, the order. You have to go with the step by step order. If you after wake up, if you have your breakfast, what will happen to your health? Without brushing, if you have your breakfast, maybe 1 or 2 days or 1 month, you may be okay. After that, the side effects you will definitely see. Stomach pain will be there, and different types of problems will come in your body, right? So, in order to maintain the right health, we are following the right order of morning routine. Similarly, each and every work we have to follow the step by step procedure. Okay, and as we discussed, to prepare a chai, what we have to do: take a pan, keep it on the stove, add 1 cup of milk. If you want to add a water, you can add it. Okay, boil the milk, then add 1 teaspoon of tea dust, right? Then make it boil, add a sugar and make it boil, right? Then when it is boiled, then filter it. So that is the proper way you have to prepare your chai. Instead of that, but first you take the milk, okay, and mix, add tea powder, sugar, and everything, mix it everything, filter, and after filtering, if you make it boil, will you get a proper tea? No, right? Similarly, each and every thing need a step-by-step procedure, and if we follow the step-by-step procedure, we will get a proper output. We will get a proper result. Okay, so that is called algorithm, which is called algorithm. Okay, in computer, okay, we are doing programs. You people are your children, right? So we are not doing programs, but you might have heard about computer engineers, software engineers working in techno park. My uncle is working here or there, engineers. So they are working on programs. They are working on programs. They are creating softwares and programs. So when they create a program, before creating the program, they first write the algorithm. Okay. So what is meant by algorithm? It's a step-by-step procedure. Step-by-step procedure for the problem to solve it. Is it clear for everyone? So what is meant by algorithm? Algorithm. So what is meant by algorithm? It's a step by step procedure. So procedure means you can call it as method. Okay, step by step procedure or method to solve a particular problem. Particular problem. To complete a task. To complete a task. Okay, to complete the task. So in computer terminology, if there is any work it's given to you, what you have to do, instead of directly involving to the task, first you have to take a piece of paper and write step by step procedure of how to solve the problem and complete the task. It is called algorithm, which is called algorithm. Is it clear for everyone? That's good. All of you repeat what is meant by algorithm. All of you just follow me, okay? Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure. Loudly say, step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem, to accomplish the task. Task means the work given to you. Okay, so it's a step-by-step procedure. So whenever there is a problem given to you, work given to you, first think about it, how to do it. Write it in a piece of paper. Follow the same procedure, you will get success in your life. In anything, whatsoever you do. Just to make a planning step by step. After planning, while you're planning, you will think about the loop and holes. Okay, so if I do like this, what will happen? Or if I go in this way, what will happen? So everything you will get an idea. So always write a step-by-step procedure, which is called algorithm, before doing any task. So in computer also, before writing a program, the programmers, what they do is, they will do a step-by-step procedure. Okay, step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem to accomplish a task. Clear? That's good. So here, see, when I'm asking you to do particular activity and explain the same. So one may be explained in English, good in English. Another one may explain in Malayalam, or another one may be explained in Hindi. Okay. So the way of explanation may differ from different languages, like English, Malayalam, and Hindi. Right? So in English, what do you say? Take a cup of water or cup of milk. In Malayalam, what do you say? ഒരു കപ്പ് പാല് എടുക്കുക. So, but the meaning are same, right? The way we speak it's different, but the both has the same meaning. That is different languages we are using. In different languages, how the way we speak it's different, but their meanings are same. Right? Similarly, computer has many languages. Computer understands many languages. Okay, so we can write program in different languages. So some of the languages are C, C, C++, Java, Python, VB, HTML. The list goes on. The list goes on. Okay, there are different types of languages in computer, but in order to do program in any of these languages, first we have to write an algorithm, which is a step-by-step procedure. Okay, in their own language you can write it, then they can. So this step-by-step procedure, it's going to be the normal English. Okay, but the languages how we write the program differs, the way of writing differs from one language to another language. Is it clear? That's good. So did everyone understand what is meant by algorithm? That's good. It's a step by step procedure, okay, to solve a particular problem, to accomplish a task. It's called algorithm. Okay. Shall we write an algorithm? Okay. Now we are going to study about how to write an algorithm to add two numbers. To add any two numbers. Here I am not saying that I want to add a 2 plus 3 or 5 plus 8 or 7 plus 2, nothing. Commonly I am talking that I want to add any two numbers and I need an algorithm for that. I need an algorithm. Okay, shall we write it? Good. So this is the first algorithm, right? So I will teach you how to do. The next one you can do it. Fine? Okay. So algorithm to add two numbers. The first step, step number 1. I told you, right? It's a step-by-step procedure. Algorithm means it's a step-by-step procedure. So you have to write step 1, step 2, step 3. One by one you have to write it. Okay, so let's come to the program. I want to add two numbers. I want to add two numbers. So as I said, the number can be any number. So we have to take it as a common. We are not supposed to take any number as a granted number. We have to take it as a common number. So in order to do that, we are just giving name for the numbers. The first number name is number 1. The second number name is number 2. Okay. So first you have to get the number. First you have to get the first number. Okay. So step 1, take the first number. What is the first number? The number is called first number num1. I have given the name for the first number as num1. Okay. The number can be anything, but its name is num1. Okay. Then second thing. So I wanted to add numbers. I want to add two numbers. So one number I have taken. So what I have to do next? Take another number. The step 2 is take another number which is called num2. Take another number num2. So I have got both the numbers. Then what is the next step? So I want to add two numbers. I got the first number as well as the second number. Then what would be the next step? I have to add these two numbers, right? I mean I have to make a calculation over here. So calculate sum is equal to. So answer will come in sum, okay? Step 3, calculate. What is the calculation? Num1 plus num2. Sum is equal to num1 plus num2. This is the calculation. So we have processed the data. Okay, we have processed the data. That means we have calculated the values. After calculating, what do we get? We get the result. So where does the result should come? The result should be displayed on the monitor. It should be displayed on the monitor. So what I have to write it here? So display the result. The step 4 is display the result. So this is the algorithm for adding two numbers. This is the algorithm for adding two numbers. Is it clear for everyone? That's good. What is the first step? Take the first number. And what is the name I have given? Num1. You can give any name. A, B, C, anything you can give. Simply I have given num1 to make you understand. Okay. Then take another number num2 because I need two numbers. So taking it's called input. Okay, taking it's called input. Input it's over. And then what is the next one? Processing. So what is mean by processing? Making calculation. It's called processing. So sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, then step 4, we got the result. It is processed, then output. So display the result. What is the result? Result comes under sum. Display the result. So this is the algorithm for adding two numbers. Got it? Okay. So shall we write algorithm for adding three numbers now? Yes, that's good. Okay, all of you take your notebook. Now we are going to write algorithm to add three numbers. Three numbers. Okay. So shall we write? Yes. Well, first what I have to write? It's a step-by-step procedure. So step 1 I have to write. So what is step 1? I have to take the input. So what is the input? I have to take three numbers first. So take the first number. Take the first number called A. I have given a name as A. Okay. Then what is the next step? Loudly say. That's good. Take the second number. Okay. Step 2 is take the second number. I'm going to give the name as B. Second number name is B. So who knows the answer? What is the third step? Do I need to calculate? Do I need to process? Yes? No, right? That's good. Why? Why is it so? Because we are adding three numbers. So I need to get one more number. Third number I have to get it. Okay. So step 3. Take the third number. Called C. Okay. So input is over. So after input, what is the next step? It is a processing. So processing means I have to add three numbers, right? So calculate sum is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. So step 4, calculate sum is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. Processing it's over. Then what is the next step? Displaying the result. So display the result. Display the result is the last step. Display the result is the last step. Is it clear for everyone? That's good. So this is the way we write algorithm. Got it? Okay. Let me teach you one more algorithm, then I will give you homework. Okay. So you have to do it in your computer notebook. Fine. And you have to send it to me also. So all of you write the next one. Let's write the next algorithm. Write an algorithm to subtract two numbers. Okay. To subtract two numbers. So we have to subtract two numbers. So would you be able to do? Help me. That's good. So what is the first step? How many numbers I'm going to subtract? Two numbers. So first step is we have to take the input. So take the first number, then take the second number. Okay. So step 1, take the first number called num1. It's called num1 I have taken. What is the next step? Now take the second number, okay? Take the second number called num2. Fine? Okay. Then what is the next step? Do I need to take one more number? No, right? Why is it so? Because we are subtracting only two numbers. Three numbers is it's not possible to subtract, right? That's good. Okay, we are subtracting two numbers. So num1 and num2 it's taken. So input it's taken. So what is the next step? We have to process. Process in the sense what type of process? We have to subtract. Okay. So next step, calculate. So what is a word we can write? Shall I write sum? Is that suitable name? Are we adding two numbers? No, right? So we are not supposed to use sum. So use appropriate words. We are subtracting. We are subtracting. So what is the word we can use? The difference. We can use the word difference. Okay. So calculate difference is equal to num1 minus num2. Num1 minus num2. Clear? So that is the process, calculation. Then step 4, display the result. Is it clear? That's good. So this is the normal algorithm, simple algorithms I have taught you today. Okay. Next week I'll teach you a different type of algorithm. Okay, another type of algorithm I'll teach you, but this week you do have a homework. Okay, so all of you take your notebook and write the homework. The homework number 1, write an algorithm. Write an algorithm to multiply two numbers. To multiply two numbers